Hello, I'm Molly Barker of the Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens, and this is Booker. And we're very happy to be welcoming you back to the gardens next week. We will be opening on Tuesday, May 26th, to our local members by reservation only. It's going to be a slow and measured process reopening. There will be some changes when you come back. We want you to wear masks and to observe social distancing. We will not have potable water available on site, and there will be limited access to bathrooms. The nursery will be open, but our staff are not going to be available to help you with plant selections as they usually do. The store and the cafe remain closed. Since the shelter-in-place order is still in effect but has been modified, we ask you to resist driving over 50 miles to reach the gardens. We do invite our local members to make reservations to visit the gardens starting next week. We look forward to seeing you back in the gardens.